Hey everyone, Coach Cortney here with Rolling Strong. Today I'm going to talk about 5 healthy nutrition tips to help you get past that dreaded D word, dieting. I'm going to clear up some fad diet myths and get you back on track to a healthy eating pattern by building a more realistic relationship with food and give you a secret weapon to optimize your nutrition with the crowding out approach. But before we get started here, I want to remind you that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with others, subscribe to the Rolling Strong YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell for notifications. So let's talk about that dreaded D word. Dieting can definitely seem intimidating, where everywhere you turn, there's an article in the media or on a friend's social media post talking about one restrictive diet or another. It can lead to confusion and an unhealthy relationship with food. Often these popular fad diets cut out entire groups of food, vilifying one of the macronutrients over the others. The fact of the matter is, what works for one person may not be realistic for everyone else. This is why I like to go back to basics in regards to nutrition and throw that D word out the window. So start simple by cutting back on some of the worst offenders that you routinely eat by replacing them with nutrient-dense options like veggies, fruit, 100% whole grains, lean protein sources, and even some healthy fat. I prefer to use the crowding out approach to nutrition. Rather than focusing solely on what we need to eliminate, let's put a positive spin on these things and look at what we can add to your daily intake to essentially crowd out those less healthy options. Common worst offenders that we eat include processed snack foods, foods with double-digit added sugars, foods made with refined flour, deep fried and fast foods, sugar-sweetened beverages, and highly processed foods. Sometimes we have no idea how our eating habits stack up because we mindlessly graze on these convenience foods throughout the day. So this week, I'm going to challenge you to log your food in the Rolling Strong app to see if you can identify the unhealthy foods you might be eating in excess. Are you new to Rolling Strong Wellness? Just drop a comment below and we will be in touch to get you started on your personal wellness journey. So here we go. 5 simple nutrition tips to help crowd out unhealthy foods with nutrient-dense foods. Number 1. Incorporate more water into your daily routine to help cut back on sugar-sweetened beverages, which pack in the calories and sugar with every sip. Replace sweet tea, energy drinks, soda, fruit, sugar-sweetened coffee, Kool-Aid, and alcoholic beverages with, you guessed it, water. Number 2, incorporate 100% whole grains, veggies, and fruit into your day to help cut back on highly processed carbs like white flour, white rice, processed snacks, and sweets. Number 3, watch those portion sizes. If you don't have a way to measure your portion sizes on the run, no problem. Just use your hand. Your palm is a great way to measure protein. A smartphone-sized portion is ideal for measuring fish. Your closed fist is approximately 1 cup. Your thumb is about 1 ounce, which is a great way to measure a serving of cheese. And a handful is a great way to measure snacks like nuts and seeds. Number 4, fill up half of your plate with veggies to decrease calories and increase the fiber and nutrient content of your meal. And last but not least, number 5, start your day off strong by filling up on fiber and lean protein for breakfast to help cut back on sugar-sweetened processed cereals. Goodbye cereal, hello scrambled egg whites and veggies. So I hope you've enjoyed these 5 simple nutrition tips. Please feel free to comment below if we can help you in any way on your journey to better health. In the meantime, keep on rolling strong. Bye.